Hi guys, today I'm gonna do calamansi juice. I did the first step. Well, you were not. Alright, let's watch the video.
Hello guys! Welcome back again to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to prepare a but wag po masyadong matamis. So next, optional lamang po ito kung wala pong yan. Tanggalin ko na nga itong luma kong sangkalan, nakaka-distract ko. And then mag-add tayo ng honey. 1 teaspoon of honey. Optional lamang po ito kung wala pong honey, pwede naman din pong asukal.
Alright,
But
guys,
wag po masyadong
let's add some sugar. This is just like lemon, even though it's just this. Alright, let's try it. And 3. Yeah, let's do 3. 2. 3. If I need more, I will just add it over here. Right, that's it.
matamis. So next, i-prepare ko na itong baso. O diba, ang sexy ng baso ko. Nahalungkat ko pa ito dyan sa baul. Then, lagyan natin ng ice cube. So, pwede din naman yung yellow na tigdodos, durugin lang. So, mag-add na tayo ng tubig.
Alright.
Mineral po ito, pero syempre, pwede naman gumamit ng
Oh, I almost forgot. The water. Got some water.
mineral. As long as po yung safe na inumin. Palamigin lang natin ng konti. Pero mas okay din kung malamig na yung tubig na
Even though I
i-dadagdag.
like so little.
Tapos pwede na natin i-add yung ating calamansi extract.
That works.
Haluin lang natin.
Alright. Wait a minute. Pause. Let me just add some more. I think that's it.
So, this is ready now. At lagyan natin ng konting kaartihan. At may paistro pa. Pwede namang direct na inumin sa baso.
Alright, I guess we're done. Taste.
Ayaw dito pa. Nagkasundo tayo kahapon, di ba? Ang matatalo ay aalis sa kumpanya.
Really good. Alright, bye.
Kailangan dumaan sa akin.